Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show in New York. That's why we got the New York map, folks. And we're looking at Broadway up here. Where are we? We're looking at Broadway here, and this is the home we're looking at right now. And here we go, $35 million penthouse, and it's looking very, very nice indeed. And love to show you around this one. Please subscribe to this channel, we appreciate that, as we build it up and look at properties here and around the world each week. And look at this penthouse. What a great rooftop experience. 2 levels here, one above with lots of shrubberies and flowers, looking so good. The green framing is interesting, and this paneling as well, going in with the traditional brick. But stay with us, there are some amazing rooms in here, and I want to show you some of them, and there's some superb elements, particularly the bathroom. There we see lounge, the black framing again, very, very popular in mansions these days. And the furnishing is just popping, including these chairs and this gold sofa in a more crushed velvet style. That'd be beautiful under the hands. And looking at traditional red brick outside too. And then this home starts to get rather random with different styles of artworks, the striking red, and then cold beer beautiful over here with the blue skies. Again, velvet, crushed velvet used on this, should we call it a puff? Maybe we should, that's what they used to be called, this footrest over here, or coffee table, whatever you want to call it. That's it, leather-bound seats there too. Into the kitchen, subway tiles up on the ceiling, and looking pretty good there. Let's straighten that up a little. Subway tiles looking pretty good up there on the ceiling, and these incredible styled lights as well. It's beautiful with the beams mixed in. Stone bench top, lots of cupboards, and a double oven here, looking fabulous as well with frosted doors. Looks like there's a bit of work from home here, but screen is right. There's your green velvet again, and looking so good as we look around this incredible home in New York. It's prime. There we have, instead of subway tiles this time, we've got an arch ceiling with brick. They've really gone back to the origins and styles here. A big collection of books and a lovely bar here. Glass looking so good. Great use of lighting as well. It really is rather delicious, to be quite honest. A Wild West shop there on the left, and just showing all the style and creativity of these people who own this home, and they certainly are. Great use of LED lights down here to brighten up this area because it is darker in the black finish. There we have black framing again. As we say in all these videos, that is the trend these days. Black door handles, black frames, black taps. It's all there. Is this a water distributor here with a water cooler, I was going to say, in the corner? I'm just taken away with how dark that color is. But nevertheless, it matches in. And outside we go to a beautiful bush garden on top of the roof in New York. There's also a water feature here trickling down to give you that ambience, relaxing here on your wicker furniture, enjoying and relaxing and unwinding. It certainly is the lifestyles of the rich and famous, with beautiful outdoor furnishings, a lovely alfresco area, big events here. Imagine it partying, having a Sunday lunches, just terrific, enjoying and taking in the city views. It certainly is superb, escaping under those reeds and enjoying yourself. Into the spa pool, we'll get a bit of stainless feel on this. This is quite a unique piece, a stainless style spa, which is quite unique as well. And then the creative, the character of the top of this building as well is pretty incredible. Love, live, and a book by Richard Johnson there too. This is a lovely table actually, with the timber and solid metal feet there too. Black frames as we go through the home. And then we see a use of green LED lights as well. So imagine being here, you're in your penthouse mansion, $35 million. You bring people home, they're escaping the hustle and bustle of New York, and they enter this incredible home that is basically an art gallery. On so many levels, it is just fantastic. There's the brick use again. Huge master bedroom, a master suite because it has the sofas in there too. It is a lovely example. And then we go stone all the way to the ceiling with that lovely grey vein, this lovely stainless finish on the exterior of the bath, and a lovely basin there too, so very nice. Into the bathroom here, similar style bath, but this time we've gone black on the exterior, and then we've got another use of lights, and almost an Art Deco feel, an Art Deco style in here, And look at this for funky art. I mean, that's just cool. Great use of lighting and more on that poster bed. They're really into their art. Love these legs here. Can you see those? No, they're chopped off down the bottom there. Let's have a look at those. The legs sitting out there. They're actually candles. Very clever. Very nice. And very clever indeed. Into another bathroom, looking good. Looks like a hotel bathroom, that one, which is classy, of course. And then into this interesting lounge room with quite a collection of items. And I'd love to meet these owners because they seem like they love history, they love art, and more. Into the gym, you've got a fridge on the right here, weights, free weights, and more. So just a great access there. Mirrors being used well in there too. The washroom, wash basin looking lovely as well in this darker, almost a red stone, and a dark red stone, and then this fabric embossed wallpaper here on the left and right as well in a popping orange. Onto the roof you go. Look at this. I mean, it's just exceptional, isn't it? Look at that for a penthouse in New York, up the road from Broadway, and you're enjoying your life and enjoying the experience. Quite incredible. $35 million, 4 beds, 6 bathrooms, 5,919 square feet. Lafayette Street, Penthouse, New York, 10012. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you then.